Hello students, welcome to banking classes. Dear students, in the previous video we have discussed about the CRR and we have seen that how CRR is fixed by the RBI. And dear students, today I am going to discuss liquidity management and asset liability management. Dear students, liquidity management. Liquidity means which can easily be converted into cash within a shorter period of time. Banks collect money from saving deposits, fixed deposits, recurring deposits from their customers, which constitutes the liability for the bank. Why liability for the bank? Because bank has to repay to them with interest. Bank lends this money to their customers, which represent their assets. That means it is a assets for customer and it is a liability for the banks. Any ideal cash represent opportunity loss to the bank, whereas in case of shortage of cash, bank needs to borrow at a higher rate, which result in higher cost to the bank. If this bank borrow short and long and lend long, it makes the bank vulnerable to liquidity risk and can even feed the risk of bank run, as depositors can withdraw their funds, seek cash in their financial claims, and thus impacting current and future cash flow and collateral needs of the bank. Dear students, bank has to maintain liquidity. Liquidity means what? That means bank should have sufficient funds so that on demand they can pay to the customers. Bank cannot refuse to the customers, sorry, this time we don't have the money, come tomorrow and I will pay you tomorrow. No. Hence, now bank is in a dilemma. So, what to do? Because we know that liquidity and profitability. अगर बैंक लिक्विडिटी ज़्यादा रखेगी तो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कम हो जाएगा, लिक्विडिटी कम रखेगी तो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होगा. अब लिक्विडिटी कम रखने का इम्पैक्ट क्या है? यू मे लूज, कस्टमर को आप पेमेंट नहीं कर पाओगे. सो बैंक बाय हिज कॉमन एक्सपीरियंस comes to know that how much maximum withdrawal can be possible in one day, and this could be the only method through which bank can do the work. So this management of money is known as asset liability management, liquidity management. Asset liability management is proactively managed on a day-to-day basis by the banks. Day-to-day basis, because bank by his common experience comes to know that how much maximum amount can be withdrawn in one day. Now dear students, we have another point, asset liability management, ALM. Asset Liability Management Committee, ALCO, is a strategic decision-making body formulating and overseeing the functions of asset liability management of a bank. It is concerned with strategic balance sheet management involving all market risks. It also deals with liquidity management, funds management, trading, and capital planning. ALCO manages various kinds of risk like credit risk, interest risk, and liquidity risk. So, in nutshell, we can say that asset liability management is a decision-making body of the banks. An effective asset liability management technique aims to manage the volume, mix, maturity, rate sensitivity, quality, and liquidity of assets and liabilities as a whole so as to maintain a predetermined, acceptable risk and reward ratio. Asset liability management models enables institutions to measure and monitor risks and provide suitable strategies for their management. So dear students, for the effective management of bank, ELCO is the governing body. It is the ELCO who decides, makes rules and regulations, and make the effective utilization of funds so that nowadays bank can survive in this competitive era. This was all related with the banks. Now dear students, we have another points, 3.2, investment in securities. Now as we know that banks have surplus fund, ideal funds. If bank does not invest in securities or does not grant loans and advances to the customers, bank cannot survive into the market. So bank has to provide loans and investment in securities. But side by side, bank knew that investment in securities creates larger risks. So keeping in view all these pros and cons, bank invest in such securities which are of very very important, यानी उनके वैल्यूज पिछले 1 ईयर में ना तो ज़्यादा हाई हुए हैं ना ज़्यादा कम हुए हैं, so that कि बैंक can earn regular income from the securities and there is less chances of loss. So dear students, in the next video we will discuss the how banks invest in securities. That's all for today. Thank you.